Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making sure Windows is current and you're signed into the right Microsoft account. This avoids permission and compatibility errors. Once done, run WS Reset. EXE to clear the store cache. It often resolves startup crashes. If that alone fails, try signing out of the store and signing back in. These are quick, low-risk actions that address corrupted cache and account sync issues, and they set a clean baseline before deeper repairs. Once the basic steps didn't stick, reset the store from advanced options to restore defaults without losing other apps. Make sure to run PowerShell as administrator if you need to reinstall the store package. This fixes missing or corrupted app registrations. Also execute sfc/scano to repair system files that the store depends on. These actions correct deeper file and registration level issues. After each step, reboot and test the store so you can identify which repair solved the crash. Finish by verifying date, time, region, and any proxy or VPN settings because mismatches can block store services. If problems remain, create a fresh local or Microsoft-linked user account to determine if the issue is profile-related. When none of this helps, open Event Viewer and copy the store error entries or codes. These give precise clues for targeted fixes or support requests. If you need help reading logs, save the entries and share them.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.